Hello everyone. So today we are going to start a new topic, profit and loss. Profit means to earn something and loss means to lose something. Yes, now the question arises, how do we earn and how do we lose? Yes, we will learn all these things in this video later on. As we all know that every businessman wants to calculate his profit or loss at the end of every financial year for his growth and motivation. So, in this chapter, we will learn some tricks and formulas, and we will have some worksheets related to profit and loss in this video. Before starting to profit and loss, I would like to introduce few basic terms related to profit and loss, that is cost price. The price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. Selling price, the price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. मीन्स जिस प्राइस पे हम किसी पर सामान को खरीदते हैं उसे कॉस्ट प्राइस कहते हैं, और जिस प्राइस पे हम उसी आर्टिकल को सेल करते हैं उसे सेलिंग प्राइस कहते हैं. इफ द सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस देन सेलर इज सेड टू हैव अ प्रॉफिट. मीन्स अगर हम उसको खरीदी हुए प्राइस से ज़्यादा सेल करते हैं इट मीन्स हमको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, और अगर हम उसको सेलिंग प्राइस से कम प्राइस पे सेल करते हैं इट मीन्स हमको लॉस हो रहा है. नाउ हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस? प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड लॉस इज इक्वल्स टू कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस may be expressed as a percentage of the cost price. Means the percentage of profit or loss is always expressed on the basis of cost price. So students, let's begin with the first question. Ramesh purchased a cupboard for rupees 3,580 and sold it for rupees 3,705. How much profit did he make? Means he bought a cupboard for rupees 3,580 and he sold it for rupees 3,705. The cost price of the cupboard is 3,580. Selling price is equals to 3,705. Here we can see the selling price is greater than the cost price. Therefore, he earns profit, and profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Means 3,705 minus 3,580 is equals to 625. Now let's proceed with the next question. Find the loss incurred if the cost price is 640, selling price is 705 and the overheads is 80. Overhead charges means the expenses we do at the time of purchasing. So it is a part of cost price. So CP is 640, selling price is 705, overheads is 80. So we have to find out the total cost price, which is 640 plus 80. That is 720 rupees is the total cost price, and SP is equals to 705. Altogether, the CP is greater than SP. Therefore, there will be a loss of rupees 15. So, dear students, I have given a worksheet for you. In this worksheet, I have given you cost price and the selling price. First example I have done for you. You can see in the first, the selling price is greater than the cost price, there is a profit. Similarly, in the second one, you can see cost price and the selling price, and there is question number 7. You have to find out by yourself whether there is a profit or loss in these cases. Let's learn how can we calculate the profit and loss percentage. We know that if the SP is greater than CP, there is a profit, and CP is greater than SP, there is a loss. So profit and loss are usually expressed as percentage. Profit percent is equals to profit upon CP 200, and loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100. Now students, there are few basic formulas related to SP. SP can be written as CP plus profit or CP minus loss. Similarly, CP can be written as SP minus profit or SP plus loss. Now students, I have given you few questions that you have to do by yourself. you can see in the first question the cost price is 2400 and there is a profit of rupees 400. So you can find out the selling price. So we know that selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. It means 2400 plus 400, that is 2800. Similarly, in the second part the cost price is 1900 and loss is 300. So you can find out the selling price by using cost price minus loss. And the remaining parts you have to do by yourself. Now we learned some important terms and the basic formulas and the additional formulas related to profit and loss. There is a shopkeeper in this picture. You can see that the shopkeeper is going to purchase the articles from the factory and he is going to sell the articles to the consumer. Now at what price he is purchasing? He is purchasing somewhere from the company, somewhere from the factory, and that price is called cost price, and he is selling to consumer at a particular price. That price is called selling price. Now we know that profit is equals to selling price minus cost price, profit percent. We have learned profit upon CP into 100, and similarly loss is equals to CP minus SP. Loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100. Now we will learn few new things if the cost price or the selling price has been given with the profit percent or the loss percent. Now SP is equals to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. Similarly, if there is a loss, so we will do 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. So if we have to find out the cost price, then 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP, or 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. So these are the very important formulas when anything like cost price or the selling price is given with profit percent or loss percent. Now let's proceed to the next question. If an article is bought at rupees 1000 and sold at a loss of 12%, at what price he sold? Means someone has bought an article for rupees 1000 and sold at a loss of 12%. So we have to find out the selling price. So we can write cost price of an article is 1000, loss percent is equals to 12%, and selling price of an article will be 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into cost price, means 100 minus 12 upon 100 into 1000. 100 minus 12 means 88 upon 100 into 1000. So we'll cut two zeros and it becomes 880. So I'm giving you one more question. If an article is bought at rupees 1500 and sold at 15% profit, at what price he sold it? So similarly you can do with the same formula of the SP. Here the profit is given, earlier there was a loss. Now let's proceed with the next question. Ramesh sold a bicycle for rupees 1700 and suffered a loss of 15%. Find the price he paid to buy it. Now here SP of a bicycle is given is equals to 1700 and he suffered a loss, that is 15%. So we have to find out the CP of a bicycle. For calculating CP we have to use the formula 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. 100 upon 100 minus 15 into 70. 100 upon 85. 100 upon 85 into 1700. So 85 will cut 1700, 20, and 100 into 20 it becomes 2000. So he bought the bicycle for rupees 2000. Similarly students, I am giving you another question for your homework. Mr. Ajay sold his bike for rupees 55,000 and earns a profit of 10%. At what price he paid to buy it? Means again SP of his bike is given along with the profit percent. You have to calculate the cost price. So students, we learned about few things. What is profit, loss, and profit percent, loss percent, along with few formulas and the worksheets. So in the next video we learn about the miscellaneous problems related to profit and loss and